So, good morning, children. So, today we are going to learn how to find a solution of a quadratic equation. Okay, actually, there are three methods are there. One is by factorization method. That factorization is called splitting the middle term method. That splitting the middle term method we already learned in class 9. Okay, so I will discuss that thing in the later part. And the second one is completing the square method, or it is also known as Sridhar Acharya method. And the third one is what? By using formula. Okay, so now let us see how to solve an quadratic equation by completing the square method. So you already know what is the standard form of a quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So now in this method, the first step, what you have to do, the first step, you have to transpose this constant term. So here, what is that constant term here? The constant term is c. Alright, the constant term is c. This constant term you have to transpose to which side? You have to transpose to right side first. Okay, so ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. So what I did, I transposed this constant term. A plus c is the constant term here, so I have transposed to right side. So it become minus c. Okay. Now the second part, what you have to do, the second part, you have to divide this whole equation. You have to divide this whole equation, that is this equation, equations 2, number 2, by the coefficient of x square. Means आपको क्या करना है, x square का जो coefficient है, what is the coefficient of x square here? The coefficient of x square is a. Now you have to divide this whole equation by the coefficient of x square. मतलब इसको भी a से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, इसको भी a से और इसको भी a से, because the coefficient of x square is a. So now divide this equation by the coefficient of x square. So what I am going to do, ax square by a plus bx by a is equal to minus c by a. Okay, I hope you understood what I did. I divide the whole equation, this equation, by the coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x square here? The coefficient of x square is a here. So that's why I have divided this whole equation by the coefficient of x square. So now little bit you simplify it. So a cancel. So what is left? X square plus this one I can write b by a x is equal to minus c by a. Alright, so this is the second step what we have to do. Now the third step, what you have to do, you have to see the coefficient of x here. Okay, so here in our part, what is the coefficient of x? Yes, the coefficient of x is b by a. Coefficient of x is b by a. समझ में आ रहा है? x का कोफिशिएंट क्या है? b by a है. तो अभी हमको क्या करना है? Now what I have to do? I have to take the half of b by a. x का जो कोफिशिएंट है इसका हाफ लेना है. So b इधर see what I am going to b by a. Half means what? Divided by 2. क्या करना है हमको? x का जो कोफिशिएंट है, what is the coefficient of x? b by a. b by a का half लेना है. Half means divided by 2. So b by a, if you change this divide into multiplication sign, it become 1 by 2. Means is equal to what I got? b by 2a. Correct? b by 2a. Now क्या किया मैंने? x का जो कोफिशिएंट था, what is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is b by a. So that b by a you divide by 2. इसका हाफ डिवाइड बाय 2 मीन्स इसका हाफ लेना है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई डिवाइड इट बाय 2. तो आई हैव सॉल्व दिस पार्ट, इट बिकम व्हाट? b बाय 2a. ओके, अभी ये b बाय 2a का स्क्वायर लेना है तुमको. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू टेक द स्क्वायर ऑफ दिस पार्ट. ओके, लेके लेफ्ट साइड एंड राइट साइड से इसको प्लस कर देना है. ओके, सो x स्क्वायर प्लस b बाय a x, इट इज ऑलरेडी हियर. नाउ दिस x का कोफिशिएंट का हाफ लेके उसका स्क्वायर लेके दोनों तरफ क्या करना है? व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? यू हैव टू ऐड. सो नाउ b बाय 2a whole square. इस तरफ भी ऐड किया ये पार्ट, दिस पार्ट I have add here also, and minus c by a already here plus b by 2a whole square. Correct? दोनों तरफ in both sides what I did I add b by 2a. So from where I got b by 2a, it is here. Here I have given the explanation. Okay. Now if you see this part, it fits in a formula. It fits one algebraic identity. ये कौन सा identity में fit हो रहा है? Some in one algebraic identity. It may be a plus b whole square or it may be a minus b whole square. Now you see, you know, everybody know a plus b whole square is what? A square plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now if you see this part fit into this identity, this algebraic identity, a plus b whole square. In place of a, what is there? X. Okay. In place of b, what is there? b by 2a is there. Okay. So whenever you will get up to this step, either it will fit in a minus b. If this portion is correct, then definitely this part, either it will fit in a plus b whole square or a minus b square. Remember that one. So if I see this is a and this is b, so a square plus 2ab, 2 here not there. If you apply this one formula, you will get this one, means a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here in place of a, what is there? X is there, and in place of b, what is there? b by 2a whole square, means a plus b whole square. If you expand this part, you will get this part only. Correct? You will get this part. All right. Now is equal to, this is minus c by a plus this one, you simplify b square by b square, then 2a square means 4a square. All right. Now simplify little bit, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, this one you can write first, b square by 4a square minus c by a. Okay. So it implies x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, you simplify this part first. Okay. So what is the LCM of 4a square and a square? Yes, what is the LCM of 4a square and a square? It is 4a square. Okay. 4a square. Correct. इसका और इसका LCM लो, कितना आएगा? 4a square. Now इसको divide करो, just divide this and this, we will get 1 into b square, okay, minus इसको इससे divide करो, okay, divide 4a square by a, what you will get? A cancel, so what will left? 4a will left, then 4a into c, 4ac. Okay, I am getting this part. Clear? Now I have to here what I am going to find, actually in this question I am going to find out the value of x. तो हमको x को अभी, now I have to isolate this x. Okay, x को क्या करना है? अलग करना है इधर में. Okay, so first I have, what I have to do? I have to remove this square sign from here. So to remove this square sign, what you have to do? If you remove the square sign, you have to take the square root of this portion. You know already that one. Okay, so ये to remove this square sign, it will become what? Root over b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Correct? So whenever you are taking the square root, remember you have to take plus minus here. So earlier up to class 8, whenever taking you are taking the square root, suppose if the what is the square root of 4? So you writing 2 simply up to class 8 or 9. But from today, remember, whenever you are taking the square root of any number, remember you will get two answer. One is plus 2 and another one is what? Minus 2. Remember, whenever you are taking a square root of any number, I will get two answer. One is in positive and another one is what? Negative. So square root of 4 is plus minus 2 actually. But earlier we are taking 2 only. Okay. But in class 10 you have to take 2 answer. One is positive, another one is negative. So when I remove this square sign from here, ओके इसका क्या हो जाएगा इधर में स्क्वायर रूट सिंबल आ जाएगा सो इट बिकम स्क्वायर रूट सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गेटिंग टू आंसर वन इज प्लस रूट ओवर बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac by 4a square another one is minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square two answer plus minus so here is the explanation okay so implies x plus b by 2a okay is equal to plus minus now if you take the square root of this denominator the square root is for this numerator also and for this denominator also so if you find the square root of 4 what is the square root of 4 it is 2 what is the square root of a square it is a okay 2a so square root of 4a square is equal to 2a and here you cannot find out the square root of this one so here square root will remain as it is 4, b square minus 4 AC correct alright now again here in this question what we have to find actually we have to find the value of x that is called solution so here still x is not isolated वो अकेला अभी भी नहीं हुआ है is not so b by 2a you have to transpose to that side so it implies x is equal to it transpose b by 2a to right side okay it is plus b by 2a so it become minus b by 2a plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by what 2a correct alright so now implies x is equal to what we'll get take the LCM of 2a and 2a it is 2a correct 2a and 2a LCM is 2a so it is minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac so this is the method this is called completing the square method this is also called what quadratic formula इसको क्या बोलते हैं हम quadratic formula बोलते हैं that we are going to discuss in the next section okay this is also a quadratic formula okay so like this you can derive this formula also plus one method also you have learned how to solve a quadratic how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by completing the square method okay it will be more clear to you if we will do one questions by using this method alright so let us try to do one question by using this method alright so let us try to solve one question by using what the method that is called what completing the square method so whatever steps we have applied here so that same steps we have to apply while solving this question also okay so in examination remember whenever you are getting such type to solve a quadratic equation you are free to apply any method either by splitting the method you can do either this method also you can apply or you have to add formula also it is your choice if it is not mentioned in the question what method you have to use okay so let us see how to solve this question by completing the square method alright so let us try now same steps what you have did here same step you have to follow here also alright now the question is twice x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0 alright so I told you here what is the first step what you have to do the first step you have to transpose the constant term to the right side you have to transpose the constant term so what is the constant term here the constant term is 3 so you transpose this constant term to the right side so twice x square minus 5x is equal to minus 3 so what I did I transposed this constant term that is plus 3 to right side alright it become minus 3 this is the first step by step you have to do then the second step what you have to do you have to divide this whole equation by the coefficient of x square so what is the coefficient of x square here it is 2 the coefficient of x square is 2 so now you have to divide this whole equation by the coefficient of एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, पूरा इक्वेशन को आपको क्या करना है, एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट से डिवाइड कर देना है. सो ट्वाइस एक्स स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 2 माइनस 5x बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 3/2. ओके, तो सिंप्लीफाई इट वेर एवर इट इज पॉसिबल. ओके, सो मैंने क्या किया, पूरा होल इक्वेशन को 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया. एंड फ्रॉम वेयर आई गॉट दिस 2, दैट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, दैट इज 2. ओके, so after simplification I got x square minus 5/2x is equal to minus 3/2. Alright, now the next step what you have to do, you have to see what is the coefficient of x here. So what is the coefficient of x here? So you ignore the sign. Okay, no need to take the sign. What is the coefficient of x? It is 5/2. Clear? What is the coefficient of x by 2? It is what is the coefficient of x? It is 5/2. Now you have to take the half of coefficient of x. x का जो coefficient है उसका half लेना है. So what is the coefficient of x? It is 5/2. तो इसका half लेना है. So half means here I am showing how to take the half. 5/2 divided by 2. Half means divided by 2 or not. So that's why I am using divided by 2. So if you simplify it, this divide sign you can write 1/2. 5/2 into 1/2 means, okay, is equal to 5 by what I got? We got 5/4. Correct? So coefficient of x is 5/2. Clear? And what is the half of 5/2? It is 5/4. Here is the explanation. Okay, if you are finding difficulties in finding half, then you can do like this. Okay, so half of 5/2 is what? 5/4. Now you have to take the square. 5/4 square. इसका square लेना है. लेके you have to add left side and right side. Okay, अभी ये 5/4 square को you have to add in left side also and in the right side also. So let us do this one. X square minus 5/2x plus 5/4 होल स्क्वायर. इसका इससे प्लस कर देना है. प्लस माइनस 3/2 प्लस 5/4 होल स्क्वायर. ऑलराइट, करेक्ट. नाउ if you see this part, means this part, if you see this part, either it is fit in a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. Remember, always it will fit either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. So first of all, find the value of a here. What is a? A means x. What is b? 5/4. A square plus b square. B is what? 5/4. Okay. A is x and b is 5/4. Means, and here minus sign is there. Minus sign is there means which algebraic identity it will fit? A minus b whole square is equal to what? A square minus twice ab plus b square. So it fits in the algebraic identity a minus b whole square. So here you can write a. What is a? A is x. What is b? B is 5/4. A minus b whole square. Correct? So if you expand this one, you will get this part only. Remember that one. Okay. A minus b whole square is equal to minus 3/2 plus, simplify it. Remove this bracket. 5 square means 25. 4 square means 16. Okay, so implies x minus, now you have to simplify only, is equal to, take the LCM of 2 and 16. What is the LCM of 2 and 16? It is 16. 2 how much? 16. 8. 8 3 is 24 minus 24 plus 16 how much? 16. 1. 125 is 25. Alright, so implies x minus 5/4 whole square is equal to 25 minus 24, it is 1 and divided by 16. Okay, so here actually what I am going to find here, I am going to find out the value of x. So still it is not isolated, इसको अलग नहीं हुआ है x अभी तक. So I have to isolate this x. So for that first you have to remove this square from here. So when you remove this square from here, you have to take the square root of that side, right side. Okay, so implies x minus 5/4 is equal to plus minus root over 1/16. 16. Why? How plus minus came? Here I explain it. How plus minus came. Okay. So plus minus 1 by 16. So implies x minus 5 by 4 is equal to, what is the square root of 1? 1. What is the square root of 16? It is 4. Okay. Clear? So abhi bhi x akela nahi hoy, means I have to find out the value of x. So x is equal to, transpose this to the right side. Okay. Minus 5 by 4 to right side. So it become plus 5 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4. Okay. Means here I am getting two answers. One is x is equal to 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Then 5 by 4 minus 1 by, this is minus 1 by 4. So x is equal to LCM of 4 and 4, 1. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1. So here LCM is 4. So 5 minus 1. So x is equal to 6 by 4 and 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 4. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to, we got 3 by 2 and 4 4 cancel, we get 1. So like this, you see, we got two answers. The value of x is what? 2. Value of x is 3 by 2 and 1. Because it is a linear, it is a quadratic equation. Degree is 2. Here we will get two answers. The value of x we will get 2. That is, this is 3 by 2 and this is 1. So dear students, like this we can solve a quadratic equation by completing the square method. And another name of this method is what? Sridhar Acharya method. Alright. So that's all for today. Hope you understood this method. So any doubt is there, so you can contact with me or you can write in the comment section of the video. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day.